me go with the 17th problem here. If 4 by 5 or 4/5 of an item be worth 1680, find the value of half of the item. Let see how you can do, because we don't know the actual value. So let the item worth or value is going to be x. Now 4/5 of x is going to be 1680. So r x is equal to, right, 1680 into 5 by 4. Now simplify it here. 4 4s are, right, 4 2s are 0, right, into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 2s are 10, 0 1 carry 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. So the value of the item is 2100. But what we need to find out? We need to find out the value of half of the item. So half of the item, which is nothing but multiply with 1 by 2, that is 2100 into 1 by 2, which is going to be 1050. Option D is the right one.